Here are the perks from the Dallas ISD. Professional and digital learning. Empower, engage, and excel. May pa-free backpack si Dallas ISD. At ito lang naman ang kanilang mga pinamigay during the New Teacher Academy kick-off. Thank you so much for these perks. Kita niyo yan? Siyempre. Sa gadgets pa lang, panalo ka na. Oh. Tada! Tada! Okay. Teacher Mentoring Program. Para di ka raw mainitan. Journey starts here. New Teacher Academy. Okay, we have the following. Dallas Education Foundation, thank you so much. Your source for special education information. We have the SpedTex. Create my SpedTex account. At higit sa lahat, alam nyo ba? Tadaan! The new MacBook. Course with charger and USB-C multifunction adapter. So these all perks were given by, nonetheless, the DISD, or the Dallas Independent School District. And here's my ID. Ta-da! So once again, DISD, daghang salamat kanyang tanan. Mabuhay! Sino bang di gaganahan na magturo kung ganito ang inyong mga pinamimigay? Salamat kayo. Salamat sa MacBook course.